127 whole power 1 by 3 in approximation. They're asking to find the value. I wrote 125 plus 2. This is x, this is delta x. Okay. X is how much? 125. Delta x is how much? 2. Now f dash of x I am doing 1 by 3 exponent formula n into x power n minus 1 by 3 minus 1. That is equal to 1 by 3 into x power minus 2 by 3. 1 by 3 x power 2 by 3. Now f of x plus delta x is equal to f dash of x into delta x plus f of x. What is f dash of x value? 1 by 3 into x power 2 by 3 into what is delta x value? Delta x value is how much? 2. F of x is x power 1 by 3. Now in place of x you can substitute 125. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ shortcut ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. 3 into 125 can I write 5 cube whole power 2 by 3 plus 5 cube whole power 1 by 3. 3 cancel. That is equal to 2 by 3 cancel. 5 square 25 3 is 75 plus 5. 2 by 75 means 0.0200. 2 times. Approximately 8777 are 49. 5.026 approximate value. First option. Which option? First option. 5.026. Okay. This is the exact and perfect formula you need to remember while doing approximation. Any question. F of x plus delta x is equal to f dash of x into delta x plus f of x. F dash x means this one, derivative. Delta x means this one. F of x means I wrote now here already, x power 1 by 3. Then you can substitute the values. Understand? Understood everyone? But 3-4 questions, 100% I am telling to you. You see the old question papers also I will show now. What are the questions they asked in previous year? Same in textbook, whatever questions will be there, the same question they repeated. Okay, don't worry about application of questions. You know one thing, 2017, 18, 19, they didn't ask one question also from approximation. Only from 2016 they stopped asking. Understand? Everyone is following. Next question. The measuring the area of the circle as 25 pi square centimeter. There is an error of 0.02 pi. Area is given 25 pi. Error means delta x or delta r generally 0.02 pi. Area no pi r square also. The percentage of its circumference. Okay, we want r first. Okay. Circumference is 2 pi r no. delta c is equal to 2 pi into delta r. What is the answer they given? .04. Which option? First option. That's it. Just multiplication. 2 pi r. Circumference of circle from a 2 pi r, no? 2 pi into r value delta. Delta r value 0.02 pi. Pi square, no need try. They didn't ask, no? That's right. They didn't ask. Actually, pi square is there, but in answer option they didn't given, no? Simply they given area to confuse ourselves. That's it. Simply they given area for confusing. If R you find also nothing, no, because R is not there in the question. After differentiate, you won't get R. Error with respect to area. Circumference we don't want. Change of area, circumference they asked. Error in circumference we want. Answer they didn't mention, no. Why you are worrying all the mess? Go with the concept. That's it. All the answer they given, you can go it. Okay. Sometimes so they will ask the question like this also. Area is given, change of area is given. What is the circumference possible? Like that. They are asking just error. Okay, you can find error. 99% there is a doubt asking this question. From 2017 onwards, they are not asking one question from approximation. But safe side, we need to do, no, that's why I'm explaining it. First question option, you got A. Okay. Which form I used? Can you show one question? If there is an error, 0.05 centimeters, delta A is given 0.05 centimeters. I'm explaining fourth question. While measuring the side of an equilateral triangle is A centimeters. And the percentage in the area. What is the area of equilateral triangle? Anyone? What is area of equilateral triangle? I think morning, I think we did discuss it. Yesterday also we discussed same type of question. Equilateral triangle area. Anyone equilateral triangle area? Yesterday also we discussed area of equilateral triangle. Any answer, anyone? Correct. √3/4 pi r square. After differentiate, delta A is equal to √3/4 constant into A square to 2A delta A. √3/4 into 2 times, no, cancel now. A into delta A is 0.05. What is the answer you will get if you multiply? Okay, sure. 0.4275. Both are same, dA delta A. Don't worry about that. I want answer. 0.043 now. But option they given fractions now. The percentage error in area. Okay, they are asking to percentage change in area means first you multiply this, I can say. Change by actual into 100. Not possible. They said the percentage error in area. Actual area how much? This is the percent change. Actual area formula √3/4 a square now by √3/4 a square into 100. Okay. So sure, 100 cancel ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. A cancel. Okay. √3 cancel. 2 times. Transfer numerator. 2 5s are 10 by A. Which option? Third option. What I did means delta A by A into 100, my dear students, formula. What is delta A? Change of area by actual area into 100. That is called percentage. They are asking percentage error in area. Percentage error in area meaning delta A by actual area into 100. What is delta A value? √3/2 into 0.05 is nothing but 5/100 A whole divided by, what is area formula? √3/4 A square. Previous question also same. Yes, we'll do. A cancel. Okay. 2 table 2 times √3 cancel. 10 by A is the answer. 10 by A is the answer. I think previous question also they asked a percentage error. That also we can discuss once again. Here we forgot. You need to see this particular word for both the questions. Percentage error. Previous question also percentage error is there. Okay. Percentage error. Only read. Next one. Previous question now, I think third one now. Measuring the area of circle 25 pi, error is 0.02 pi. Percentage error in circumference they are asking. So here what we need to find first means area of circle, area is equal to 25 pi. Delta R is also given 0.02 pi. Okay, come back now. Pi r square is equal to 25 pi. Pi cancel. R is equal to 5. We got R value. Circumference is 2 pi r. First you find circumference. 2 into pi into 5. 10 pi. Okay, keep it hold. Circumference is 2 pi r. Change of circumference 2 pi into delta r. 2 pi into what is delta r value? 0.02 pi. Okay. Now, change of what they're asking, what is the percentage error in its circumference? 2 pi into 0.02 pi by circumference value 10 pi we got. Pi cancel. So 0.04 by 10. 0.004. What is the answer they given? 0.04 only they given. Pi they didn't given, actually they need to give pi. Maybe they consider it is area. Understand, my dear student? They consider it is area. Multiply by 100 is also there, no? Correct. 0 cancel. 0.04 into 10. Pi cancel. 0.04. No, same answer you are getting. This is not possible because denominator and also will get cancelled because into 100 is there. 0.04 into 10, how much? 0.4 you will get, but option is not there now. How comes? Percentage change in circumference. Once again say percentage error in circumference. So delta C by C into 100. C means 10 pi into 100. 0 cancel. 2 pi into 0.02. That means 0.04 pi into 10. Pi means 20 by 7 also you cannot write. 0.4 into what is pi value? 1.73. If you multiply, you will get more than 1. Once you multiply and say what is that value? 0.4 into 1.73. Approximately how much you will get? 4 into 73 by 1000. 4 7s are 28. 4 3s are 12. 292 by 1000. 0.292. Answer is there? No, not there. 0.04 only answer. So this procedure is not applicable here. We are not getting the same answer. Just they find out delta C 0.04. ಅದೇ ಈ ತರ ತಲೆನೋವುಗಳು ಇರ್ತವಂತಾನೆ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೇ ಎತ್ಕೊಳಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ. ತಲೆ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಬಿಡಿ. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್. In a cube, the percentage increase in the side is 1. Percentage increase delta increase in the side delta S is equal to 1. The percentage increase in the volume of the cube is, what is volume formula? S cube, no? Delta V is equal to 3S square delta S. 3S square into 1 by actual S cube into 100. Actually delta S ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು percentage changing ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. Percentage change means delta S by S into 100 is given as 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ delta S ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ S by 100 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ 1 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ S by 100 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. S by 100 ಅವಾಗ S cube S square S cube ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. 100 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. 3 ಬರಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. percentage change in side given. That means delta S by S into 100 is given as 1. In the delta S value, how much? S by 100. Keep it hold. Area volume formula S cube. Volume is equal to S cube. They are asking percentage change in volume. That means delta V is nothing but 3S square delta S. Percentage change in volume. That means delta V by V into 100 formula. What is delta V? 3S square delta S by, what is V? S cube into 100. 3S square into, what is delta S value? S by 100 by S cube into 100. 100 cancel. S square S, so S cube cancel. What is left answer? 3. Percentage change in side anta helte you cannot consider delta S, you can consider delta S by S into 100. Then you will get perfect answer. Because percentage change, no, that's all. You got that? Everyone? Complete, everyone. Can I go to the next question? Ask your daughter Ujjwal Gowda. Correct, Aniket Joshi. Percentage change in side means delta S by S into 100 is equal to 1 given. From the delta S is S by 100. Percentage change in side means delta S by S into 100. That means delta S is S by 100. Volume S cube. After delta V is 3S square delta S. They are asking percentage change in volume. That means delta V by V into 100. In place of delta V, substitute this value. In place of delta S, substitute value. Cancel. I didn't cancel that. 100 cancel out denominator bartalo S by 100 cancel. That is equal to into. This is into. Monisha, what happened? WhatsApp uninstall ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Because when you are attending the class, so your friends will message you. ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ Zoom ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Zoom, it is an option. You can parallelly use multiple. Right now, I am using a tab. In this tab, no mobile. This is only Wi-Fi tab. That's it. Sana, iga question number 5 aitalva 6. Third one on time check why we didn't get the answer in the same way. But they didn't ask the percentage. Circumference they asked percentage, but area of circle given pi r square, pi cancel, r is square, that's fine. Error of 0.02 pi square centimeters. This means area of oh my god. Dear students, in third question they given there is an error of 0.02 pi square centimeters in area. Correct? Huh? The third question. Sana, can you identify the point? Third question, the measuring the area of circle is 25 square centimeters. There is an error of 0.02 pi means that is not delta A. No. That is not delta A. That is delta A. A means area. Yes. Now, area is equal to pi r square. Delta A is given 0.02 pi. They are asking delta C by C into 100 value. Okay. Third question. A is equal to pi r square. Pi r square is given 25 pi. Illinda r value 5. Sare aitu. Delta A differentiate marte en barutte 2 pi r delta r barutte. Correct alva? Delta A value given 0.02 pi is equal to 2 pi r delta r. Pi cancel ಮಾಡಿ. Delta r ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ? Delta r is equal to 0.02 by 2r. ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. Circumference find out ಮಾಡಿ. Circumference is 2 pi r. Delta c is 2 pi r. 2 pi into delta r. Now delta c by c into 100 ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. C means 2 5s are 10 pi. Delta c means 2 pi into delta r by C means 2 pi r into 100. 2 pi cancel ಮಾಡಿ. Delta r value 0.02 pi 2 r into r square into 100. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ 0.02 pi r square means 5 square 25 to 50 into 100. 50 here 2 times. Multiply 0.04. Banta answer. Perfect. 0 into 2 into 2. In place of delta r, I substituted 0.02 by 2r. Denominator already r is there. R into r square. R means 25 no? 5 square 25 to 50. 1500 2 times. 0.02 into 2. 0.04. ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ತಲೆಮಾರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. A given, delta A given. They are asking percentage change in circumference. That means delta C by C into 100. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಮ್ಮ 0.04 only correct. That time we did in shortcut way. Pi square we leave it. But this is the actual explanation. Sometimes ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು actually ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಾಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 2 pi r ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ 0.04 pi square ಇದೆ. pi square ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. That's it. ಎರಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ತಾನೆ. Complete everyone. Can I move to the next question? Yes. That's what I said. Multiple ways it is possible answer in CET. Shortcut way only we can. I explained complete procedure actually how it is possible. In measuring a radius of a sphere as 2 centimeters, there is an error of 0.02. R is equal to 2 centimeters ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. Delta R is given 0.02 centimeters. and the error of its volume. Percentage error, normal error, just error. Okay. What is volume of sphere? Anyone have formula? Remember, volume of sphere. Volume of sphere. 4/3 pi r cube. Perfect. Delta V is equal to 4/3 into r cube divided by 3r square delta r. 3 cancel. 4 pi into 2 square into 0.02. 16 pi into 0.02. Multiply 0.32 pi centimeter per second. Cubic centimeters. Because volume, no? Understand? Do it. Which option? First option. This is simple. If they given percentage error, then only it is logic. Error radius they only given now. Delta R. I substituted. Hey, yesterday I sent material of this one to your group, correct? Don't confuse yourself, Mama. They given very clearly on radius. Yes, correct, Aniket. Sana understood? Okay, done. It's okay, it's okay. Confusion, it will happen for everyone. Correct, Aniket. Nisarga, any doubt is there? You switch off your video. Why? Completed. I'll give one question to you. You can find answer for this. So, like value, I can give rate measure. Almost for you, this rate measure as well as approximation similar parameter, but approximation they'll give questions like this 127 all for 1/3 like that. But very rare they didn't ask till now the questions in this. Very rare. Seventh question ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? No, one second. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Seventh one. If there is an error of 0.01 cm, the diameter of a sphere. Diameter of a sphere formula. Yes. Diameter of a sphere. I think you are trying answer. Percentage in the surface area. Correct. 4 pi r square. D is equal to R. Delta D is given 0.01. Delta D is equal to 2 into delta R. So R is equal to 0.01 by 2. Here, what they are asking, what they given first of all, radius is given 5O. This delta R body. R is 5. Percentage change in area, surface area. Surface area 4 pi R square area. Delta A is equal to 8 pi into R into delta R. Now 8 pi R into delta R by actual area 4 pi R square is equal to 5 pi cancel, 1 R cancel, 4 here 2 times. 2 into what is delta R value? 0.01 by 2 by R value 5 into 100 into 100 unit. 2 to cancel, 5 here 20 times, 0.2. Correct answer is there, no? 0.2.